Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Adli. I'm from Group G, and today I'm going to present to you about our group project, which is Smart Laundry for Mahallah. So, as an introduction, the existing cash-only payment mechanism at IAM self-service laundry bar has been noted as a major annoyance for students, particularly those who prefer online transactions. And the system frequently involves a separate trip to an ATM, causing an unnecessary convenience for the student. And thus, by not implementing digital payment choices, this laundry bar risks losing potential sales and revenue from students who prefer or utilize non-cash payment methods. And thus, our problem statement is that the self-service laundry bar at IIUM relies exclusively on the cash-only payment methods. And this has become an inconvenience for all students, especially those who prefer to use online transactions. So for this project, we have three separate objectives. The first one is to create multiple payment options for self-service laundry in IUM. The second one is to enhance student inconvenience in using laundry machine in Mahallah. And lastly, to fully utilize IIUM metric card for transaction purposes. So this is the flowchart of our project. First, we start by conducting a survey on self-service laundry in every Mahallah. From this, we try to find the problem of the current laundry bar. And from this survey, we find that students mostly prefer online transaction. Thus, they are unsatisfied with the current payment method, which is the cash-only payments. And from that, we propose our own solution, which is the self-service laundry equipped with an RFID scanner, so that a student can pay using their metric cards. And after that, we start our design and prototype constructions. And after that, we test and validate our prototype. And then we demonstrate it to the user. For our case, it is the students. And we ask them to fill in a post survey so that they can give us their feedback. And from this, we find that the most common feedback that were given to us is that to improve the top-up mechanism as well as the option for washing temperature. And I believe that's all from me. Thank you.
So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will continue for the slide presentation. So for the solution that we propose for the laundry machine is the self-service laundry machine with the RFID scanner or RFID module. That is laundry is equipped with RFID scanner which will scan the metric card of the student. Each of the metric card student will have their special UID or their own database to top up to add the money into the card. This can be done maybe at the co-op or at the store inside IUM. And the metric card also, okay, has been mentioned. So as you can see, this is our proposed solution, which is at the front is the laundry machine, and at the side is the button to start the machine and the RFID scanner, which when the card is tapped, the machine will proceed. The machine will be turned on. Next, this is the circuit design. So the circuit design is using the Arduino Uno, and with the RFID module connected to the Arduino Uno and a relay module connected to the Arduino Uno. The relay module that we use is 250 volt AC, two channel with normal open and normal close. We use this because commonly the motor used in Malaysia, especially the laundry, also use the same, about 220 volt AC. And this is the power source and the motor in washing machine. In our project, we use the power source as 6 volt, and the motor in washing machine is DC motor 6 volt, 36 volt. So next, this is the flow chart. So the system start with the scanning of the metric card. If the metric card is registered to the database, the yellow LED will be turned on, which indicate it is ready to start. However, if the metric card isn't registered to the database, the red, yellow and the green LED will be flashed, and its sign to the customer that this card is not registered. And then after the yellow LED is turned on, the Arduino will check whether the card have sufficient balance of money or not. If there is sufficient money, the green LED will be turned on, and the washing machine will be activated, or the motor of the washing machine will be activated by the authorization or by the user pushing the button. But if the balance is not enough or insufficient, the LED will be flashed for 3 times to indicate to the user that they need to top up the LED, and they need to top up the card at the co-op mart. We initially want to use the what we call the LCD as our indicator. However, we barely can find any. None of us have LCD I2C LCD to use as indicator. As proposed improvement, maybe instead of using LED can use I2C LCD. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aqil Karimi bin Muhammad Sabri, metric number 2014755. So I would like to continue the presentation with the slide of initial survey. So here we have conducted a few survey before we started our research. So basically the research is about the current payment methods available in the laundry in Mahallah in IUM. So basically they only offer cash payment methods. So from the survey we have asked a few questions, and this is the summary, which is we can see over here. 18.6% answered that they were unsatisfied with the current payment methods. 87.5% answered that they have experienced some sort of inconveniences due to the cash only payment methods. 96.9% preferred to have multiple payments option instead of cash only for the self-service laundry. 68.8% prefers to use online transaction, and 62.5% agrees to pay additional convenience fee for maintenance purposes. So this is the post-survey. The post-survey is basically we conducted after we have done created the prototype, and we asked a few users to experience on our prototype. So basically for the summarize, you can see here, for the summary, you can see all of the respondents. We have 11 respondents that have tested our prototype, prefer our solution compared to the current cash only payment methods. 63.6% rated 5 on our solution for being user friendly and easy to use. 63.6% rated 4 on our solution for solving the inconveniences of using self laundry services. 63.6% enjoyed the experience of using our prototype with rated 5. However, one have suggested to improve the top-up system of this smart laundry machine and also the graphic user interface. So conclusion, we can see that our prototype able to meet the target of our client expectation and solve the problem that they face. It addresses the inconveniences identified in our initial survey and introduce an efficient and modernized payment solution, enhancing the overall user experience for students using the laundry facilities at IUM. So basically, it solves the problem of cash-only payment methods, and it really helps the student a lot. So for future recommendation, as you can see from the post survey, one suggested about the GUI and the top-up system. So basically for the future recommendation, we have two suggestions, which is the first one, provide graphic user interface or user-friendly interface so that they can read and clear with much clearer instruction. Suggestion 2, we have a self-service top-up system for the metric card that uses online payment for its main platform. So here we will let you know with the prototype demonstration. You can see over here, this is the video. So the case one is unregistered card. Basically we tap the unregistered card, so it blinks all the 3 LEDs. For the case 2 is sufficient balance. When we tap in the card, it blinks red, so you can see there, so it cannot be started. And case 3, registered insufficient balance, basically the true case. So when we tap in our card, it lights up the yellow color, and then when we click, it started to work. So the full demonstration, you can see over here. We tap in the card, the true card, and then we click the start button, and then the machine start to work. So this is the full demonstration of our prototype. So basically we created a small version of prototype with using Arduino Nano and some basic circuit. So this is the cast. Alright, so that's all for our presentation. Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.